Hi guys, and welcome back to Coupon with the Lady. It is once again Sunday and time to go over my CVS coupon haul that I did today. Now this is going to be the haul for the week of 2/25. It went off really well with the exception of one deal that I did have a problem on and I'm not sure exactly how it's going to work. But I'm going to send an email over to corporate and I'm sure we can figure something out. So let me get to these deals and show you what to do and what not to do. Our first deal was on the Tresemme. Now I bought one of the conditioners, one of the shampoos, and two of the hairspray. Now, I did this because we have so much shampoo and conditioner right now that I really didn't need any more. I have wanted to try the new Botanic shampoos and conditioners, or at least give them to somebody that will try them for me and let me know how they do. And these hairsprays are the new Micro Mist hairspray. So I thought that looked really interesting. Now, this is how it works. I want you, if you're going to be using the buy one shampoo and get one conditioner free coupon, then be sure that you hand them the conditioner first. That way it will ring up for the $6.19. And then the shampoo will ring up for the half price amount. When the cashiers do your coupon, because it is get a free conditioner, they should take off the $6.19 amount. That's what they did for me. So let me tell you how this breakdown works right quick. You would buy two of the hairsprays at $7.29 and $3.64. One of the conditioners at $6.19 and one of the shampoos at $3.09. They are buy one, get one half off, and when you buy three, you'll get back 5 ECBs. I used two of the $2 off of one hairspray coupons from today's Red Plum, and I used one of the buy one shampoo, get one conditioner free coupons from today's inserts. I also had a $4 off 18 hair care RBC that I used, so I paid $6.02 and got back 5 ECBs, making those only 26 cents each, and they all apply to beauty. The next thing that I did was the L'Oreal color for hair. They're on sale, 2 for $17. When you buy two, you'll get back 4 ECBs. Now, I used the $5 off 2 L'Oreal hair color coupon from the 2/11 Red Plum. The first time we did it, it beeped. So what I had him do was separate it out, and if he scanned the 2 boxes and then scanned the coupon, it went through just fine. So I don't know if y'all's registers are glitchy like mine can be, but we did not have any problem whatsoever if we separated it out. And he did that with each of the products. He would scan the products and then scan the coupon. I also had a $2 off of 2 L'Oreal hair color red box coupon. That made me pay $10 and get back 4 ECBs, making those only $3 a box. Plus, not only does it apply to beauty, but this takes me over my buy 7 get 1 free limit on that deal, so I should be getting a coupon for a free box of hair color. Now the next thing that I did was on the Lady Speed Stick that you see there. They are on sale for buy one get one half off. When you buy two, you'll get 2 ECBs. I used 2 of the 50-cent off 1 Speed Stick coupons from today's Smart Source. I had a $1 off of 5 deodorant red box coupon. I paid $3.99 and got back 2 ECBs. The next thing that I did, was on the Ziploc bags. Now you'll see there are 4 boxes of those Ziploc sandwich bags. I got the 72 count sandwich bags. We go through those quite a bit. The way the deal works, they are on special for spend $12 and get back 4 ECBs. The Ziploc bags are 2 for $6. I had 2 of the $1 off 2 Ziploc coupons from Ziploc.com. I also had $1 off 2 Redbox coupons for Ziploc bags. I paid $9 and got back 4 ECBs, making those like $1.25 each. Then I picked up the Colgate Optic White mouthwash. Now this is the big bottle. We don't usually get the big bottles, but this one is the 32 fluid ounces, so it's the really big bottle, and it's on sale for $5.99. When you buy one, you'll get back 1 ECB. There's a limit of 2 on there. Now I used one of the $2 off 1 Colgate mouthwash coupons that were in today's Smart Source. I also had a $2 off of 6 Redbox coupon, and I know it was only $5.99, but the Redbox coupon went through just fine, even though it was a penny short. I paid $1.99 and got back 1 ECB, making that big old bottle only 99 cents. And then the last thing on this transaction that I did was on the Revlon cream eyeshadows. Now, I know that next week, Revlon is going to have one of their lipsticks will be on sale. I think it's, like $6.99 or $4.99. I don't remember now. But anyway, and if you use the CRT that we got this week for $4 off, then by the time you get back your ECBs, it'll make it a $1 moneymaker. So you may want to hold on to that till next week. However, I didn't need lipstick. I love these little Revlon Color Stay cream eyeshadows. I like the way they feel. I like the way they look. And they're just nice. So I opted to do the eyeshadows this week instead, but you may want to hold on to your CRT. Now, my total, let me show you my receipt on the first transaction. Now, Britton helped me tonight, and he is a dear. I just love him to death. And you can see there goes the hair color, 2 for $17. The Ziploc bags, 2 for $6. The Revlon Cosmetics, one of them at $7.99, the other at the 50% off, so it was $3.99. That's the Speed Stick. There goes the Tresemme. That's the hairspray. And then there's the shampoo and conditioner. Okay, here go my coupons. And I'll let y'all look through there. And you can see he took off $6.19. And the Revlon coupons, there's my Ziplocs. And my app coupon for that Ziploc. I called it a RBC, but it was actually a CVS app only that I had sent to my card. I had $11 in ECBs going in, the $6 and the $5. And there go my CRTs. This would be my total. But you see where it says gift card? That was a free Swag Buck gift card that I got, guys. Absolutely free. Didn't cost me a thing. It was for $25. I knew I was going to be ECB poor this week, so I saved up my Swag Bucks and I got the gift card for $25 to help me out. Now, I will say that I did a video about how you can get swag bucks and use them to get free gift cards too. At the end of this video, I'll put in a link to that swag bucks video so that y'all can see how to do it also. And I saved $75.53, a 78% savings. Actually, for me, it was 100% savings because I used a free gift card to pay for it. And on top of that, I did get back 16 ECBs for my first transaction. Now, my second transaction started with the Palmolive. The Palmolive, these are the big bottles, the 20-ounce bottles of Palmolive. And they are on sale, buy one, get one half off. When you buy two, you'll get back 2 ECBs. I used 2 of the 25-cent off 1 coupons on Palmolive from the Smart Source that we got today. I paid $3.98 and got back 2 ECBs, making those only 99 cents each. The next deal is the one that messed up for me. That's on the Vaseline. Now, my store, number one, was wiped out of most Vaseline. They did have these, which I was tickled with because I have wanted to try the Advanced Repair Vaseline. And if you'll notice, they're 2 different sizes. This one in the front is the 20.3 fluid ounces. This one in the back is the 24 fluid ounces. These were the only 2 bottles that they had left. Now, under my original weekly ad, usually it shows the products that are included in these deals, but I could not get this deal to show up under my original weekly ad. So I asked the cashier working there tonight, and I said, it says in the ad the 6.8 ounce gel oil. I had no clue what that was. He had no clue what that was. So his suggestion was to just pick up one of the Vaselines. Now, this is a 7.5 ounce Vaseline. And the only reason that I needed to pick up some other type of Vaseline to go with this is to make me up to my $15. Because these are buy one, get one half off. And even though these are 2 different sizes, they both rang up for the same price. $8 and, what was it, $8.19. So, it was just a very strange deal all the way around. And the petroleum jelly did not work to trigger my ECB. So, I'm going to contact CVS, and I will see if maybe they can give me my 5 ECBs for purchasing the Vaseline products. If not, I may have to return this one and maybe go to a different store to buy some Vaseline. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do about that. But the way the deal is supposed to work, you would buy 2 of the Vaseline lotions and then 1 of the small Vaseline lotions. You would use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the Red Plum 128. I had a $2 off 10 hand or body RBC, hand or body lotion RBC, and a $3 off 12 Vaseline lotion RBC. Both of those came off without any problems. Now for me, because I did buy the petroleum jelly, my price was $9.27. Yours will probably be less than that. And you're supposed to get back your 5 ECBs. I did not get mine back, but we'll see what happens with that. Okay, so the next thing I did was on the Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Loose Powder. It was $13.99, and it did trigger my 10 ECBs back. I did use a $3 off 12 Redbox coupon on that. making it $10.99 and getting back $10. Then I picked up the Purex that you see back here. It is the 50-ounce one. It was on sale for $2.99. I used 50 cents off of one in a coupon that I got out of the 211 Red Plum. I also will be getting back 50 cents from Saving Star. I paid $2.49 and got back $1.50 in extra care bucks, which makes that about 50 cents for the whole bottle if you take into consideration the Saving Star. And then the last deal that I did was on the Garnier towelettes. There is a deal going on for either L'Oreal or Garnier facial care at CVS, where if you buy 2, you'll get back 6 ECBs. So I picked up 2 of these wipes at $7.49. I used 2 of the printable Garnier coupons from theredplum.com. I also had a $5 off to Garnier Facial Care Red Box coupon. I paid $5.98 and got back the 6 ECBs, making those totally free. Plus, I'll get back $2 from Saving Star, making it actually a moneymaker. Now, let me show you that receipt right quick, because I know this is getting a little long. Alright. So there's the Purex. That's the Vaseline. Palmolive, $2.99 and $1.49. There's the Garnier. There's the Physicians Formula. And there's the petroleum jelly that does not work to trigger your ECBs. There's my coupons coming off. I used all the ECBs from my first transaction, so 16 ECBs. Those are the red box coupons that I used this time. So my total was $17.77. I used what was left off my free Swagbucks $25 gift card and ended up paying $15.88 out of pocket. So that was the actual amount that I paid for everything tonight. I saved $46.10 on that one. So let's talk about, let me show you. Here's my ECBs I brought home. Okay. So I brought home $19.50 in ECBs. I'm hoping to work out a way to get the other 5 ECBs from that Vaseline deal that did not work out for me. Anyway, my trip totals. So I hope that y'all's hauls are fabulous this week. I hope you have a wonderful time couponing. And that is how couponers build up their ECBs again when they're real low. We just end up paying a little bit more out of pocket and build them all up, or we hope for Beauty Bucks to help us build them up. Either way, I use my free swag bucks to help me build them up. You can do whatever it is that is best for you. There are some deals here that you probably won't need to do. Or might want to do differently. You know, if you did 2 conditioners and 2 shampoos instead of the hairspray, yours would be cheaper than mine was. So look at those options. Okay guys, I have rattled on enough. Y'all have a great, great week, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.